Down here at Simpson Creek, we're going to try to go for smallmouth this time instead of targeting all those largemouth. I mean, we weren't really targeting last time we were catching them. We were just basically just trying to catch whatever we could. So right now I'm all alone and a train comes through, but I'm all alone, and yeah, we're going to be trying to target some of these smallmouth at Simpson Creek. Already spooked something, and yeah, let's get into the video. And there's one. Another largie. Just can't get on the smallmouth, guys. Oh, God. Calm down, buddy. And we can't get on the smallmouth, so I guess that's what we'll have to do. Nice largie, though. Well, nice creek largie. Not the best largie, but see ya, buddy. Okay guys, now we're fishing here, which it looks like there's a lot more activity. So hopefully here we can actually hook up on some decent fish. I hope decent. Or we might not get anything. I mean, that's the thing about creeks. Oh, something just following that? I think something was following in my bait, or at least I'm pretty sure. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll try that out. Okay, nice talking to you. Oh, that's a nice little sucker right there. Oh, I didn't take it. No. That was a big sucker, too. Wanted to catch that sucker. Okay, guys, we're walking. We're gonna go to T&L Hot Dogs because I guess there's a nice place around there behind T&L. So we're going to. I was just gonna walk down the creek, but I would just rather just walk to T&L and then go behind T&L. So yeah, that's just what we're gonna do. Now, the farthest I fished, I think, is Dairy Queen, so I don't know how T&L will be, but we're gonna go check it out, see if maybe we can catch something. So please just blow away. I can't look you in the face. I don't wanna have to lie. I wanna listen to somebody. I can move on. I feel paralyzed. I feel paralyzed. I feel paralyzed. Well, guys, I think we got played. Played pretty damn hard. Well, I'm not just not going to fish. Thanks to the person who told me to check out this amazing spot, guys. Like, guys, I mean, I'm probably going to catch my PB in here. Oh, I just missed one, actually. But seriously, guys, this spot is, no, just, I don't know why I did it. Why? Walking all alone in this creepy-ass yard. Don't feel safe at all. Well, let's try a couple more times. I think. Last one. And I just snapped my bait. I think I just snapped it and broke it. Did I? No. Did I though? I think I did. Oh yeah, I broke my bait. Oh my god. Well, no, it doesn't swim anymore. That's great. Hit it right off that concrete and broke it. Just snapped my bait in like 3 pieces. Gotta keep on going though. Gotta keep going strong.
Savoring this moment, is this our last goodbye? I thought we loved each other, I guess one of us lied. So please just pull away, I can't